Welcome to PresentationMaps.com, your online source for editable PowerPoint and Adobe Illustrator maps. In this short video, I'd like to show you how to resize a map. We'll use one of our Europe country maps with country name labels in this example. This question often comes up when a customer purchases one of our maps and they have removed parts of the map that they're not interested in for their project. So for example, we'll say we are interested in some of the Eastern European countries, so I will select a few countries in, Western Europe. And the key to resizing a map is grouping. So what I'll do over one of my selected features is I'll right click, select group off of the context menu that pops up, and group my selected features so that they now function as one shape or object. And I'll remove the rest of the map, not needed, to give us room to resize our group. And we'll just delete those off the map. So I'm left with the map features that now make up my group. Let me first show you, let me ungroup this quickly. I'll show you what happens if we try to resize without grouping. So I have everything selected. I'll grab a resize handle off of one of my selected features and click off, deselect the features, and hopefully you can see this, but the countries that I had selected without grouping, when I try to resize those, they become overlapped, and the text also has not resized proportionally to the map either. So this is not useful. You can see my countries are overlapped. So let's move those back. Undo our resize, and let's go ahead and regroup this back to our group command, and I'll regroup this and try this again, grabbing one of the selection handles, one of the sizing handles. Those are the circles and squares you see around your selection box, and I'm dragging this to the upper right corner of my slide. Now you'll most likely want to hold down the shift key when you're resizing. What this will do will keep the east, west, and north-south extents of the map in proportion. This may not be coming across in the video very well, but I'll try to do this slowly. And I held down the shift key and I resized. Let's just make this a little larger. So again, holding down the shift key keeps the aspect ratio, or the east, west, north, south proportion, or directions in proportion. Let's center this up. Now also you may note that our text did not resize. There's a quick fix for that. Simply go to the font size pick box and we'll just grab 14 point. That doesn't look too bad. Hopefully you can see that. And so I've resized all of my text within my group. So key to resizing is grouping your map features first, and then if there's any text in your group, to resize the text separately, but just by simply resizing the text to a larger size. Now I can ungroup my group after I've resized it just by going back to the group command, ungroup, and now I have all of my individual features ungrouped, and I can select and modify properties of these features independently if I choose to. So that's grouping, or that's resizing using group. Again, it's the grouping is kind of the key to resizing multiple map features. We like to thank you for taking the time to view our video on resizing a map. Please feel free to browse our entire collection of maps at PresentationMaps.com. Free samples are available.